We've all had meetings show up on our calendar where it's a mystery of why we're invited or what we're going to do. Most people say attach an agenda, but that's not enough. Instead, here are 3 sentences that need to be in every meeting invitation you send. The first begins, "We are gathering to accomplish, ... Fill in the blank. Tell people why you're gathering. The second one, even more importantly, it is important for us to do this together and at the same time because. Could have been an email. If the work can be done asynchronously, it's not important for you to gather everyone together all at the same time. And finally, the most important one, by the end of this meeting, we will. It will tell people what you hope to accomplish. It will give them a measure of success. And at the end of the meeting, people will walk out not only able to judge you on whether you kept your promises, but whether the meeting was successful or not.